Hi everyone, Stuart here. It's the US Open on Wednesday the 15th of May 2019. Forex-wise, the dollar's been relatively well bid except against the key yen. Yen's the one that's really in demand, but here against the euro, we have some weak euro data this morning. Euro data sort of in line, weak American data in the last hour or so. Retail sales, the core retail sales number, the key number, missed quite significantly. The industrial production number that's just come out was a miss as well, but the previous month's been upgraded, so a bit of a mixed picture there. So dollar's holding its bid against most of its other crosses except the yen. So euro here tripped out of this little channel it'd been in overnight under 112. And we've been moving down all day. We've been as low as 111.80 zone today. We've bounced a wee bit off that, but the trend remains down for euro, euro dollar. Euro yen the other way, also down, but this is obviously dollar on the other side of the trade here. Again, breaking out of this top here, this 109.70 level. That's in the first inversion cross on the yields. This number here from back in March. So top there, come back down, and again that's trending lower. 109.14 zone this morning. So a bit of a leg down to 109, but again the pressure remains downward trend. Stochastics a bit overbought there, looking to turn up, but pressure remains to the downside on the weak retail number and the weak industrial production number. Sterling also under pressure. Cable rate here moving down again under this 128.65 level is key. Trend line from the higher time frames, we've breached under that at the moment, so 128.35 again into the oversold area as far as short-term stochastics is concerned, but the trend remains very much with you under the 20 period, the 5 and the 9 all nicely sloping down there. CAD inflation for the Canadian economy was in line with expectations at 2%. Dollar is still on the bid there here today, so we've held this key 200 periods moving average overnight. Again, sideways action in the Asian session, held this 134.60 zone, and we're up and running. We ran as high as 134.92 as the Canadian and the US data came out at the same time, so that remains bid over its 20-day moving average. Obviously the stocks very much under pressure, again tripping down here. The futures tripped down this morning here at 11 o'clock, triggered lower, and it's continued to unwind. Obviously the 2800 level that we bounced from on the 13th is key. We're at under 28.25 at the moment, and moving down, obviously very dependent on news coming out of either US or China with regard to the trade move. And commodities, gold has breached the 1300 a couple of times today. Here the hour chart triggered long, having been going down overnight in the Asian session. Triggered long this morning at 11 o'clock here at about 12.96. We ran to 1300. Obviously that's a key psychological resistance level, but we still remain quite well bid. Not quite sure what's going on in this kind of big volatility in the current hour, so watch that one. That's still moving up. And oil, we've got inventories expected to come down. Expect a drawdown of 800,000 barrels in about in about an hour or so. Yeah, about an hour or so's time the weekly oil inventories come. But you see we've tested 61 all day here. Now we've bounced off that with an hour to go before the inventories come out, but the trend remains to the downside. So see what the inventories are for the oil market. So trade carefully. Actually, let me just finish with Aussie yen, because that's been a huge mover today. Big move down, and it's been trending down all since yesterday. Big old move. We take this up to the daily time frame and see how much under pressure the Aussie is against the safe haven yen, and that's the real trade. That's the real chart of May so far, certainly. So take care, and we'll see you all again tomorrow. All the best. Bye bye.